In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to break a line of text inside a cell in Google Sheets so your data looks cleaner and easier to read. First, open your Google Sheet and double-click on the cell that contains your text. This puts the cell into edit mode so you can control exactly where the text goes. Now, place your cursor at the point where you want the new line to start. This could be after a word, a comma, or anywhere that makes your text easier to read. Here's the key step. Hold down the Control key and press Enter. This will instantly move the text to a new line within the same cell. You'll see your content split into multiple lines without leaving the cell. If you want more line breaks, just repeat the same action. Move your cursor to another position and press Ctrl plus Enter again. This is especially useful for things like addresses, lists, or long descriptions where readability matters. And that's it. With a simple shortcut, you can organize text inside a single cell and make your spreadsheet much cleaner. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.